Hey everyone! I am super excited to share some tips and tricks on how to find the best craft supplies at Dollar Tree. If you're a craft enthusiast like me, you know that finding quality materials at a great price is a dream come true. So let's dive in and explore how to make the most out of your Dollar Tree shopping trip. First, I want to say that this video is not sponsored and I'm answering frequently asked questions after years of being a Dollar Tree DIY crafter. So I'm here to share my expertise. So, how to find the best craft supplies at Dollar Tree? Number one, visit frequently. So Dollar Tree rotates their stock very often, and visiting regularly can help you catch the new arrivals before they're gone. Plus, you'll get a feel for when they restock certain items. I have 5 Dollar Trees within 15 minutes drive of our house, and I visit each store a few times a month. If I'm looking for a specific item, the stores are close enough to me that I can visit each one in the same day. Number two, check multiple locations. Not all Dollar Trees are created equal. Some stores might have a better selection than other stores, so it can be worth it to check out a few different locations in your area if you have them. Everyone always asks me which Dollar Tree store is my favorite, and I live in Clearwater, St. Pete Beach area in Florida. And so my favorite stores are Indian Rocks Beach, and then there's also a huge store in Bay Pine, St. Pete, that is always stocked with larger items, and I never see these items in any other store. So if you are visiting the area, those are the two I would recommend to go check out. And if you see me shopping in the stores, I would love for you to stop me and say hi. Tip number three. Shop online. You can buy many items online at dollartree.com with free shipping to the store. Dollar Tree will occasionally run sales for their shipping and offer the flat rate shipping, which is usually $4.99. You can ship items to your home at that price. Instead of using time and gas going to all these different stores, you might want to consider ordering online as an alternative. If you are ordering online, I would love to consider going through my link in the description, and I will earn a little commission when you make a purchase. It's no extra cost to you, and it helps to keep Simple Made Pretty going. Thank you in advance. Tip number four, look beyond that craft aisle. The crafter square aisle that we all know if we're crafting. Sometimes hidden gems are found in unexpected places. You can check out the office supplies, seasonal sections, and even the toy aisle for unexpected items that you might be able to use in your craft projects. If you've followed me for a while, you've probably seen my mystery box challenge videos, where I take unexpected items and turn them into craft supplies. I once used a Dollar Tree dish sponge to make a French fries Christmas ornament. And yes, it turned out super cute. Tip number five, ask the staff. Don't be shy. The employees often know when new shipments come in and might give you a heads up on what to expect and when to expect the new craft supplies. My stores always have shipping boxes in the aisles of the store, and if you take notice, on the side of the boxes is a picture of what's inside. I've had employees offer to open boxes when I was looking for a certain item, and then again, I've had those employees say they cannot open the boxes, but it doesn't hurt to ask. Tip number six, join Dollar Tree groups. Online communities like Facebook groups and crafting forums like my Craft and Create Club forum can be a great resource. Members often share where and when they found specific items, saving you time and effort. I also like to share my Dollar Tree shopping finds on Instagram, either in Reels or my stories. And you can easily search the hashtag Dollar Tree shopping or hashtag Dollar Tree finds and more on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. If you like TikTok and YouTube, these are also great places to follow your favorite Dollar Tree community creators who share Dollar Tree shopping trips. Lastly, number 7, my tip for you is to look for multi-purpose items. Think outside the box. Items like glass jars, picture frames, and even kitchen utensils can be turned into amazing craft projects. Here's my Dollar Tree buy it before it's gone rule. At Dollar Tree, you never know if an item will be there if you don't get it before it's gone. So I'm the type of person that will buy it before it's gone. Dollar Tree's return policy will let you exchange items for equal value, but I recommend checking with the store at the time of purchase about returning items so you know their policy first. Now, I have bought multiples of one item if I know that the value of that item is typically much higher elsewhere. For example, yarn. You can find a huge roll of yarn at Dollar Tree, which might be $5 to $10 more at other crafts stores. So stocking up on this item has value to you if you crochet or you plan to start a yarn project soon. Seasonal items are especially important to buy before it's gone because Dollar Tree does not carry these items all year long, and they are only on their website during those certain times of the year. If you plan your crafting projects for each season, I highly recommend looking at dollartree.com's website. They typically have seasonal items on their website before they have them in stores, and looking online will give you an idea about different craft supplies to add to your shopping list if you prefer to wait and see if they have them in your local store. Again, I recommend if you see a seasonal item online that you want or need multiples of to just order it online and ship it to the store for free. I learned from experience after seeing seasonal items that went viral and sold out, and then we never saw them again. All right, now I put together a list of my 10 must-have Dollar Tree craft supplies. I always stock up on these whenever I visit Dollar Tree. Number 1, wood dowels or wood skewers. These are perfect for a variety of projects. Their versatility makes them a staple in both professional crafters and DIY home projects. Whether you're crafting a kid's science project or a Dollar Tree DIY picture frame, the dowels and wood skewers offer strong support and precision. With a little creativity, they can transform anything your imagination dreams up. I keep wood dowels and skewers organized in a glass vase in my craft room. Number 2, hot glue sticks. These are essential for any crafter, and Dollar Tree offers affordable options that work great. They have a standard size regular hot glue sticks and colorful glitter hot glue sticks at Dollar Tree. They work with any standard size hot glue gun. And I've also seen the full-size hot glue sticks at Dollar Tree for a full-size glue gun. I have my hot glue sticks organized and stored in a candy jar in my craft room. Number 3, paintbrushes and foam brushes. Dollar Tree has a decent selection of paintbrush sizes and styles for all your painting needs. I stock up on foam brushes and large paintbrushes for larger projects, and then these smaller art brushes. I keep my paintbrushes organized in a glass vase in my craft room. Number 4, cardstock and paper supplies. They are great for kids' crafts, card making, and adding texture to your projects, as well as scrapbooking. You can find construction paper, tissue paper, scrapbook paper, and I organize my cardstock in dividers on a bookcase in my craft room. Number 5, ribbon, burlap, and twine. These can add a beautiful touch to your crafts, whether it's for gift wrapping or decoration. Basic ribbon colors like black, white, red, and green are great to stock up on for year-round holiday projects. And if you find different patterns or textures in similar color ribbons, I'd recommend stocking up on those. I also organize my ribbon in my craft room on a large dowel, and it hangs on the bookcase behind me. Number 7, felt and fabric. Dollar Tree has fat quarter fabric in various patterns that can be used for quilting, sewing, and a multitude of crafting projects. The felt rolls and sheets at Dollar Tree compared to other craft stores can lack in quality, but they offer an affordable option for beginners and casual crafters. While the material might not be as durable or vibrant as higher end versions, it provides a great starting point for simple projects as practice pieces. For those looking to experiment without a significant investment, Dollar Tree selection can be a practical choice. It allows for creativity without the worry of wasting expensive supplies, making it ideal for kids' crafts, school projects, or just for fun. I can't tell you how many times my kids have come in my craft room and just grabbed whatever felt pieces they want to use for some random craft project. And I'm not upset about it at all because I know it only cost me $1.25. I have my fabric organized in clear containers, and the felt rolls are organized and displayed on my craft room shelves. They're just rolled up. Number 8, storage containers. You can organize all of these craft supplies that I'm going through that you should stock up on at Dollar Tree using Dollar Tree containers. I have dedicated several videos and blog posts about how did I use Dollar Tree containers to organize and transform my craft room. I'll link more in the info in the description for you. Number 9 is stickers. Dollar Tree stickers are perfect for scrapbooking, card making, and adding details to your projects. Their vibrant colors and unique designs can transform any ordinary item into something truly special. Whether you're personalizing a gift, decorating a planner, or crafting a handmade greeting card, these stickers offer endless creative possibilities. Plus, with their affordable price, you can experiment with different themes and styles without breaking the bank. I love using alphabet stickers from Dollar Tree and the peel and stick decals on home decor and craft projects. Number 10, seasonal items. Dollar Tree has a fantastic seasonal craft supply section that can be used to create unique crafts. My favorite seasonal items to stock up on are the color your own ornaments, belt decorations, garlands, and florals. You can see how I've used these items at simplemadepretty.com and on my channels and social media pages. You might notice that I just named off those 10 things and not one of them I said was Dollar Tree vinyl. Although you can see behind me, I clearly have a collection of vinyl. Now my favorite vinyl to use, just Oracle 651 is my favorite permanent vinyl. So I don't really buy the Dollar Tree vinyl. Now I see it there all the time and I have tested it out, and I will say it's okay, but it's kind of like the felt. If you want to save some money, you want to experiment and try it out, go for it. You know, it's, what are you going to lose? It's $1.25. And I think it's a 12 by 12 sheet that you get in their vinyl packages. Try it out. See if you like it. Try the pattern vinyl. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the vinyl. It's just not something that I stock up on at Dollar Tree. So here are my final thoughts about finding the best craft supplies at Dollar Tree, and then also my tips to shopping at Dollar Tree. I hope that you found those useful. Remember, crafting is all about creativity and having fun. Don't be afraid to experiment and think outside the box. You never know what amazing creations you might come up with. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to see more like this. I'd love to hear if anything I said surprised you in the comments. That's all for now. Happy crafting.